In today's video, I'm going to teach you to be able to how to make comments in Figma. If you collaborate on design files, comments are your best friend. They let you leave clear notes right on the canvas, so feedback stays tied to the exact spot you're talking about. To get started, open the Figma website in your browser. You don't need anything fancy, just navigate to the site the way you normally would. Once you're there, you'll be working inside your files directly in the browser, which makes it easy to view and discuss designs without switching tools. Next, open your page. In Figma, a file can contain multiple pages, and each page can hold different frames, artboards, or flows. Choose the page that contains the design you want to discuss. If you have several pages, make sure you're on the one that's relevant for your review, so your comments land in the right place and are easy for teammates to find later. Now your design is ready, take a quick moment to zoom in or pan to the area you want to talk about. This helps you drop comments exactly where they matter. When you can clearly see the section you want to discuss, you'll be less likely to place a note in the wrong spot, and your feedback will be quicker for others to follow. At the bottom, click the icon that represents comments. It looks like a little speech bubble, and it opens the commenting experience. When you click it, Figma switches you into comment mode. Your cursor changes so you can place a comment pin. Click directly on the canvas where you want your note to appear, and a small text box will pop up. Type your message in plain language, explain what you're referring to, and add any context that will help others understand the intent behind your feedback. When you're done, post the comment to save it in the file right where you clicked. Others who visit your design can read them. When collaborators open the same file and page, they'll see the comment pins and can click to view your message in context. This keeps discussions organized and makes reviews more efficient because everyone is literally looking at the same spot you're describing. Keep your comments specific and concise, and reference the visible elements so there's no confusion. That's all it takes to make comments in Figma. Open the website, open your page, ensure your design is ready, click the comment button at the bottom, and add your notes so anyone visiting your design can read it in place.